Hello and welcome to my channel. Nnamdi Kanu was in the news again recently. And let me tell you, that was for good. That was for good. And what we're going to do today is like a tutorial. Yeah, I want you to understand exactly what happened. Several news media might have reported it in certain ways. Still on Nnamdi Kanu's case, yeah. Let me tell you what just happened. Look at the screen. The US Congress introduces resolution on Kanu's case. A kind of, this is our resolution. This is what we have agreed on. That is what happened. Now let's look at the resolution. Let's look at the resolution. Resolution sent to US Secretary of State. So after the resolution, they took the material to the United States Secretary of State. Now, what is in that resolution? They are requesting to engage the Nigerian government diplomatically concerning Nnamdi Kanu. So like I told you earlier, this is a move in the right direction. And it is a good news. There are certain things you need to understand. I will explain to you. For now, it is at the developmental stage. It is for good. This thing, at the end of the day, everybody will be happy. And here is the main concern. So here are the main concerns. As you can see on the screen, here are the main concerns. This is what they are seeking. Look at the first one, a fair trial. And they are talking about the detention conditions given to Nnamdi Kanu. And part of their discussion in that resolution is the 2021 Kenya transfer, the kidnap in Kenya. They are concerned about that, the kidnap. Look at it. They are concerned. The way Nnamdi Kanu was brought in, what many have seen as extraordinary rendition, according to Aloy Ejimako. They are looking into that. So, for now, this is at the beginning stage. Something good is beginning to build. That is what I'm trying to tell you. So, Nnamdi Kanu's case is beginning to get increased international attention. That is what matters. So, Kanu supporters are reacting positively. Certainly, that should be their reaction. A good thing is developing. It's at the developmental stage. But for a matter like this to get to the Secretary of State, wait for a good future result. Meanwhile, we are also going to talk about the Nigerian side. The federal government, the critics, they will always react. They will always tell you this and that. It's a Nigerian concern. Nigerian court must be the ones to decide. But then, it's only a matter of time. Something is developing. And while Nigeria could, Nigeria court will decide this and that, this or that, the world is listening. Nnamdi Kanu, yes, a citizen of Nigeria, but he's also a citizen of the world. You can't do him anything because this is a Nigerian matter. Now, let me be clear. This does not free Nnamdi Kanu. This does not free him, no. Not yet. Like I told you, this is at the developmental stage. So the case will continue in Nigerian court, but a case of all eyes are now watching. Care must be taken. Remember, Nnamdi Kanu is going for appeal. During the appeal, care will be taken because all eyes are on the Nigeria's judiciary. This matter, no be small matter again. For now, it is building. Note. Now, here is a bigger question. Will this lead to more pressure or political change? From what we are seeing, for them to come together, make a resolution, now forward it to the Secretary of State, I think this is just the lowest of what will happen. So let's recap for you to know exactly what we just said. Let's recap. The US Congress is asking the Secretary of State to engage Nigeria based on Nnamdi Kanu's matter. That is very important. They are worried about the way Nnamdi Kanu was brought in, the way the court case is going. So whoever is handling or is going to handle that case, care must be taken. That is what matters. It is now a case watched by the whole world. It is a case a lot of people are keeping eye at. The world is no longer, oh, this one no concern us. The world is watching. So whether you call it a retrial that will come or appeal, anyone involved in this will be careful. Meanwhile, viewers, I would like you to add your comment on the comment section. Tell us what you think. But note, Nnamdi Kanu is not yet released. But this is, for me, the beginning of some good things to come. What do you think?